Once the dough is done proofing on the counter, it should have just about doubled in size. It's nice and jiggly. There's some bubbles forming on the surface, so now it's time to shape our dough. Now, unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the first recording of shaping the dough, so I do apologize for that, but it's basically the same exact thing that we do for our final shaping. Once I've separated the two dough pieces, I'm gonna go ahead and laminate the first ball of dough. Laminating is simply grabbing the dough and stretching it out into almost like a square, then taking the outer pieces and folding them inwards towards the middle, and then we're gonna roll it up gently. So we wanna go ahead and take our spatula, take it from the side, turn our dough, and then tuck it underneath. And we're gonna keep this process going until it creates a really nice circular shape. Once you're done shaping those dough balls and they have a nice tension to them, we're gonna go ahead and put them into our cloth-lined medium-sized bowls that we have in our house. It could be a mixing bowl, whatever you have is totally fine. We're gonna dust it with some flour, dust it on the top with some flour. As you can see, I did put the dough in upside down and then dust the flour on top. Take the ends of the actual towel that you have it on, and then we're gonna close it up, put it in the fridge for 2 hours and let it proof. At this point, we're ready to open bake. If you do want me to do another video on how I open bake, just let me know in the comments. I'm happy to do that. But basically, preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Square your loaves however you would like. Place it on top of the baking sheet that has already preheated with the oven. Make sure you put another pan underneath the actual baking sheet so that we can place some water in there and create some steam. You let that bake for about 30 to 45 minutes, and this is what you're left with, you guys.
In the world, I didn't have to leave it in the fridge overnight. I didn't really do that many stretch and folds. Soft. Like, wow. I'm actually gonna turn the camera around. Wow. Just, wow. I'm so beyond impressed by this. Amazing. The fact that I didn't have to leave this overnight in the fridge, even put it in a Dutch oven. I mean, I'm beyond impressed right now with this recipe. This one day loaf situation, I highly suggest that you try it out after watching.